Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Modern Money Solutions. We're talking about the future, which is already here in 2025, and how the tech we see popping off today is going to completely reshape the stock market. AI going mainstream, blockchain going beyond Bitcoin, quantum computers actually working. This stuff is straight out of sci-fi, but it's about to be real life, and there's real money to be made. So whether you're already knee-deep in the market or just starting to figure out your investing game, this video's for you. We're breaking down the top 5 tech trends you absolutely need on your radar to make smart moves in 2025 and beyond. Let's get into it. Alright, kicking things off at number 1, we've got artificial intelligence or AI. Now, AI's been hyped up for years, but trust me, this time it's different. We're not just talking about Siri forgetting your grocery list or those chatbot customer service agents that make you want to pull your hair out. This is next-level AI. The kind that's already changing the game in healthcare, finance, and even how we build stuff. Think self-driving cars navigating traffic, algorithms predicting market trends with scary accuracy, and robots doing surgery with precision even the steadiest human hands would envy. And the craziest part? This is just the tip of the iceberg. The AI market is projected to become worth trillions of dollars. That's trillion with a T. Companies like Nvidia, the graphics card kings, are going all in on AI chips that power these systems. Then you've got Microsoft, Google, and even Meta, throwing down billions into AI research and platforms that are basically the foundation for everything else. These companies are building the tools, the infrastructure, the whole 9 yards. If you want a piece of the AI pie, these are the players to watch. But here's the thing about AI. It's not just about the tech giants. Startups are popping up left and right, finding new and innovative ways to use AI to solve real-world problems. We're talking about companies using AI to develop personalized medicine like in silico medicine or Tempus, optimize energy grids like Oklo Inc. or nanonuclear energy, even create hyper-realistic virtual assistants like Inflection or Rokid. This is where things get really interesting for investors. These startups, with their fresh ideas and laser focus, have the potential to disrupt entire industries. Finding these companies early on, before they blow up, that's how you make life-changing returns. Coming in at number 2, we've got blockchain. Now I know what you're thinking. Blockchain, isn't that just about Bitcoin and all those other cryptocurrencies? And yeah, you're right, blockchain is the tech underpinning all that. But here's the thing, blockchain is so much bigger than just digital currencies. Think of blockchain like a digital ledger, but instead of being controlled by one central authority, like a bank, it's distributed across a network of computers. This makes it incredibly secure and transparent, because any changes to the ledger have to be verified by everyone on the network. Now, imagine applying that level of security and transparency to things like supply chains, where you can track products from the factory floor all the way to your doorstep, or financial transactions, where you can send money across borders instantly without those hefty bank fees, or even digital identity, where you have complete control over your personal data and how it's used. That's the power of blockchain. And by 2025, it's already going to be everywhere. We're seeing governments experimenting with central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, which are basically digital versions of their national currencies, all built on blockchain. And businesses are using blockchain to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and build trust with their customers. But here's where it gets really interesting for investors. As blockchain technology matures, we're going to see a whole new wave of decentralized applications, or dApps, built on top of it. These dApps have the potential to revolutionize everything from social media to healthcare to how we vote in elections. Investing in blockchain today is like investing in the early days of the internet. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, but the potential payoffs are enormous. Alright, at number 3 we've got something that sounds like it's straight out of Star Trek, but trust me, it's real and it's about to change everything. Quantum computing. Now this one's a little more complex, but stick with me here. Traditional computers, the ones we use every day, store information as bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use qubits, which can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time. That's right, both at the same time. It's like having a superpower that lets you be in 2 places at once. This mind-bending ability allows quantum computers to perform calculations at speeds that would make even the most powerful supercomputers look like snails. We're talking about solving problems in minutes that would take traditional computers thousands, maybe even millions of years. Now, quantum computing is still in its early stages, but in 2025, companies like IBM, Google, and Rigetti Computing are already expected to make some serious breakthroughs, and when that happens, get ready for a revolution. We're talking about developing new drugs and materials at an unprecedented pace, cracking the codes that protect our online data, even optimizing complex systems like traffic flow in cities and global supply chains. The possibilities are literally endless. For investors, quantum computing represents a once-in-a-generation opportunity. The companies that crack the code, so to speak, are going to reap unimaginable rewards. But even investing in the companies that are developing the hardware and software that power these quantum computers could be incredibly lucrative. Alright, moving on to number 4, we've got something that's not just good for your portfolio, but good for the planet too: renewable energy and green tech. Now, with climate change becoming an increasingly urgent threat, the world is waking up to the need for clean, sustainable energy sources. And that's creating massive opportunities for investors. We're not just talking about solar panels and wind turbines anymore, although those are still important. We're talking about next-generation batteries that can store energy more efficiently, electric vehicles that are finally starting to rival their gas-guzzling counterparts, and sustainable materials that are replacing plastics and other environmentally harmful substances. And with governments around the world pouring billions of dollars into green initiatives, like the Inflation Reduction Act here in the US, this trend is only going to accelerate in the coming years. Companies like Tesla, with their electric vehicles and energy storage solutions, are leading the charge. But there are countless other companies, big and small, that are developing innovative solutions in areas like solar power, wind energy, and sustainable agriculture. Investing in renewable energy and green tech is not just about making money, it's about investing in a future where we can power our lives without destroying the planet. And that's a pretty good investment in my book. Alright, last but not least, we've got something that's still a little bit out there, but has the potential to be absolutely huge. The metaverse and augmented reality, or AR. Now, the metaverse is basically a network of interconnected virtual worlds where you can interact with other people, play games, attend events, even buy and sell virtual property. Think Ready Player One, but without the dystopian future. And AR is all about overlaying digital information onto the real world, using things like smartphones and smart glasses. Think Pokemon Go, but way more immersive and integrated into our daily lives. Like AI, the metaverse is also projected to become a multi-trillion-dollar market. Companies like Meta are betting big on the metaverse, developing hardware and software that will allow us to work, play, and socialize in these virtual worlds. And companies like Apple and Microsoft are developing their own AR glasses and platforms, which are expected to revolutionize industries like retail, healthcare, and education. Investing in the metaverse and AR is definitely a long-term play. These technologies are still in their early stages of development, and it's unclear which companies will ultimately come out on top. But for investors who are willing to take on a little bit of risk, the potential rewards are enormous. So there you have it, the top 5 tech trends that are going to reshape the stock market in 2025. From AI and blockchain to quantum computing and the metaverse, these technologies are not just changing the way we live, they're creating incredible opportunities for investors who are paying attention. Now, I know this stuff can seem complicated, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. The key is to do your research, start small, and invest in what you understand. And remember, the future is never set in stone. There are always going to be surprises along the way. But by staying informed and keeping an open mind, you can position yourself to capitalize on the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. So what are you waiting for? The future is waiting. And there you have it, the top 5 tech trends that will shape the stock market in 2025. These technologies are transforming the way we live and invest. Which trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Modern Money Solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.